Hello friends, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to take a look at how to set up GoLang on your machine. So in this video I am going to be setting it up on my macOS machine. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is go to golang.org, and over here you can just click on download, and after clicking on download it will take you to the download page, and over here you can select uh, any package that is relevant to your uh, OS. So as for I am using macOS, I am going to be downloading the .package file, and if you are on Windows you have to download the MSI and so on. So I have already downloaded the package file on my system. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open the package file. So I have already installed it previously on my system, so it is giving me an error that there is a previous Go installation on your system. So I am not going to be continuing the installer. So in on this page what you can do is just click on continue, and it will ask for your system login, and just enter your password and hit on continue and install, and it will install the Go compiler on your system. So just to verify that the compiler has been installed on your system, this is a hello world program in Go. So what you need to do is just copy that program and open up any of your favorite text editor. I'm using Visual Code, and just save it. I'm going to be saving it on desktop test.go, and after saving it, what you need to do is go to terminal and new terminal and see desktop. Over here just type go build test.go and hit enter, and it will create an executable for you. So just type dot backslash and test, and just hit enter, and you can see the hello world output. So that means that Go compiler has been successfully installed on your system, and you can start doing whatever you want to do in Go language, and start learning the language from different courses. And if you want to view different courses related to Go programming language, I have created a previous video for that covers different websites that are offering free courses to their users, so you can check it out and get started with your learning. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you do subscribe, like, and comment down below, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, and bye bye.